Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechMania. So today in this video I'm gonna discuss about some CMD commands which are useful, and if you get used to it they are quite easy, and it will be quite useful and quite fast, and you can able to do things very quickly. So let's begin. So I'm gonna open up my command prompt by typing CMD in search bar and hit enter. Now in command prompt I will start by how we can able to open an app. So for that we have start command. So just type start and the name of application which you want to open. Like I want to open VLC media player, so I'll type VLC and hit enter. And you see VLC media player is open. Now I'll quickly close it, and you can run other apps also like Start and Firefox. You see Firefox is open. Now quickly close it and let's move to the other commands. So the first command which I want to tell you is how to change your directory from C to D drive or any E drive if you have other partitions. So here I am in C drive, and under C drive I am in users and AJOSH folder. So if you want to go to D drive, just type D and colon and then hit enter and you reach into D drive. If I again want to come into C drive, I'll type C colon and hit enter. Now in C drive, if I want to redirect myself to desktop directory, then I have to go through OneDrive directory and then into desktop directory. So for that we have CD command. CD command is known as change directory. So change directory will change your directory from one folder to another folder. For example, like this, I'll type CD and then I'll type OneDrive. We have a shortcut for this also. You just type few letters and then press tab and you see it will automatically complete it. Now after writing CD OneDrive, then hit enter and you just move from AJOSH folder to OneDrive folder. Now if you want to move from OneDrive to desktop, then again type CD for change directory and then type desktop. Just type DES and hit tab and you will see it will automatically fill it. Then after desktop, just hit enter and you are there in the desktop directory. Now in the desktop directory, if you want to create any folder, then we have a command for that, and that is mkdir. So just type mkdir and the name of folder or directory which you want to create in desktop. Like I want to create a new folder, so I'll type new folder and then hit enter and you see a new folder is made in desktop directory. Now this is an empty folder. So if you want to create a file in new folder, then first you have to move inside new folder. So for that we will type CD new folder, and now we are inside new folder. Now if I want to make a file inside new folder, which is an empty folder right now, so I'll just use echo command. So echo command I'll use in this way: echo dot angle bracket, and then I'll type the name of file like aman.txt and then I'll hit enter. And you see an aman.txt file is made in the new folder. Now if I want to remove this file, so there is other command. We'll use del then /f and then file name like aman.txt and I'll hit enter and you see the file is deleted. And if I want to remove this directory also, new folder, then there is a command called rmdir, that is remove directory. So I'll use rmdir and then type the name of the directory which I want to remove, which is new folder, and then I'll hit enter. So we have seen that just error has come because there is no new folder directory inside new folder. So first we have to come out of the new folder. So for that we have command cd space double dot that is full stop or double dot, you can say. So if I hit enter, then I'm in the desktop directory, and now here we have new folder directory. So now we can remove the new folder directory. So now I will type rmdir, that is remove directory, and then I will type the name of the directory which I want to remove, that is new folder. And then I'll hit enter, and you will see that the new folder is being removed. These are the basics of command prompt which I want to share with you. If you enjoyed the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and write in the comment section what do you feel about the content and what do you want in the future, so I'll make videos on that. And thank you for the support which you have shown in my first video, and I'll bring up with new content and new interesting contents in future.